Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make Bihari Boti, also known as beef skewers. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. Let's go see what ingredients we need. One and a half pound of cubed beef, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of raw papaya paste, 2 tablespoons of fried onions, half tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of star anise powder, quarter cup of yogurt, quarter cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, we can start by marinating the beef by adding the green chili paste, the yogurt, the papaya paste, the ginger garlic paste, the crushed onions, garam masala powder, red chili powder, the crushed poppy seeds and the star anise powder, and the salt. Once we have added all the ingredients, we can mix everything together really well. Once the beef is marinated, we can cover and let it sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours. You can also refrigerate this overnight for best results. If you decide to refrigerate it overnight, make sure to leave it at room temperature for an hour or 2 before cooking. Once you are ready to barbecue, remember to add the vinegar and the oil and mix. These are now ready to go on the skewers. You can add the beef to the skewers as shown here and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Just don't forget to preheat the grill before. This recipe is super easy. Boti is now ready. You can serve this on a plate of rice or however you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you for watching.
Yummy!